We're back in Casey Castillo. How long was that last ride? 3.50? 3.50 for Madeline. We got right now Casey Castillo from Martinez, California. Is that right? Here we go. Casey Castillo. Let's see him bust a button. Oh, yeah, Casey, hang on. Oh. Where is Sarah at? Okay, who do we got? Alan Torres is up. Now here's another 3-year-old. Okay, now if he comprehends to grab hold of that wool, he can bust some mutton.